Sakit sa mata. Diyan mo gustong dumaan?
Bakit?
Wala na. Sleepers pero ikaw at ang buwan ang magsasabing ako'y sa'yo lamang.
Ganun yun eh.
It's time to plant and time to harvest. Ikaw na.
A time to heal and a time to heal. Ay, time to kill and
A time to tear and time to build up. A time to cry and time to laugh. A time to grieve and time to dance. A time to scatter every stone and time to gather stones. A time to embrace and time to turn away. A time to search and a time to quit. Searching, a time to keep and time to throw away. A time to tear and time to mend. A time to be quiet and a time to speak. A time to love, time to hate. A time for war and a time for peace. In Ecclesiastes 3:1, for everything there is a season, a time for every activity under heaven. Palapakan natin. Okay kami dyan. Gusto ko yung shots na ganito na may nagbabasa tayo. Rolling pala sa ano.
Isang kiss nga lang ako sa kiss nga lang kay ma'am. Kiss ka lang kay ma'am.
Achi, 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 achi. Hindi kang ngingiti kahit a time to be born.
Time to die.
Ano, may tatali ba ako?
Oo. Nandito ang tenga mo. Kaya pala hindi mo ako naririnig pag nagsasalita ako. Lasang ano, C35. Ay, CM35. Tinanong ko yung makeup ko eh. CM35 daw. Tapos
Ano yun?
sa under the ano.
Dior.
Hindi, MAC.
MAC.
Hindi totoo office ko. Makeup ko eh.
Layo. Joe.
Okay pa po ba kayo? Maganda po dun.